My name is Vaibhav Katpalia. I am a student of Mary College, BBA Section B. Today I am giving a presentation on activity based costing. Activity based costing is a costing method that identifies activity in an organization and assign the cost of each activity to all products and services according to the actual consumption by each. This model assigns more indirect cost overhead into direct cost compared to the conventional costing. Activity based costing, oftentimes referred to as ABC, is a method of organizing and allocating costs that are involved in a business production or operation of any kind. It means that you reduce overheads cost by calculating each exactly how much one activity cost and allocating that much money to it. This ABC method of spending has been around since the 1980s and has been implemented by many different businesses around the world. While cutting cost is generally a well received concept, there can be many downfalls that come along, especially when the activity based costing method is doing so. Advantages of activity based costing. First, improves overall process. During the process of implementing an activity based costing method in a business, all the processes that are used are looked at in depth. After a short period of time, a bigger picture begins to emerge of which processes are worked well and which are not. Second, pricing is better organized. With ABC, businesses are able to fully identify all the costs that are associated with producing a single unit of their product. Because of this new understanding, they are able to develop pricing strategy and marketing much more effectively. Disadvantage of activity based costing. First, time involved. There is a long time period that is involved in using an activity based costing method in a business. All of the production process, employee action, and aspect of business have to be examined for an extended period of time in order to gain a big view on what the issue truly are. Second, data flows. ABC requires many different departments and individuals to collect input data. Even the smallest flaw in this information can damage the entire process and the outcome would be tainted. This is one of the biggest risks that are taken on when using this method. Thank you.